How to place any object on any background and easily extract shadows in Photoshop. First, decrease the opacity of subject to 35%. Press Ctrl-T to select the free transform tool. Click and drag handles to resize and position the subject. Hit enter or return once you're satisfied. Set the opacity back to 100%. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the layer. Select the pen tool and choose the path. Draw a path around the bottle. I will speed this part up to save your time. Press Ctrl-Enter to new selection. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Select the perfume layer and change the blend mode to multiply. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose the curves. Click on the clip to layer icon. Click and drag the white point, then adjust the shadow to your style. Select the top layer. Go back to adjustment layer icon and choose the curves. Click on the clip to layer icon. Click and drag the white point, then make adjustments as you please. And this is the result.